Welcome back to the mathscenter.com, boys and girls. I'm Kamlin once again. In this short video, I like to examine a question, a very short question. In this week, we're going to take a look at the most recent IGCSE Maths paper, code 0580, paper 2 or 22, and it's taken from, this is taken from the February-March 2021 sitting. Okay, this is an exam paper taken by the people in India. All right, it's a good paper of good standards, similar. Okay, so now I think in the earlier video I've done an earlier question on similarity. You can scroll back, scroll below to check for it. So in this particular short video here, I like to talk about a very simple question. Take a look here. The last question on this paper, all right, this is paper 2 of the IGCSE Extended Maths. This is question number 24. This is a complete 5 marks question. And this question asks you about a very important area in maths called differentiation. Differentiation, what I think is part of your pre-calculus, all right, the beginning of a very important type of maths called calculus. And in this topic, we're going to talk about a simple differentiation. So we are told that, okay, the question is really short. You can take a look below and see whether there's a PDF that I have, that our administrator have included. If not, you can just listen to the question. It's very short. It says there's a curve. There's an equation which is y equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5. Okay, that's what it says. A curve has equation y equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5. The instruction is really simple, very short. Find the coordinates of its two stationary points. So basically you have a curve, right? There are two stationary points. What are stationary points? They are at stationary points, right? If you draw a tangent passing through the stationary point, the gradient is 0. That's the basic idea you should have learned in this simple differentiation. So basically, the dy dx of these two stationary points will be 0. Okay, so go and refer to your textbook. Or if not, you can replay this video again. Okay, so you have a cubic equation, right? And at the two stationary points, its gradient is 0. Okay, so what do? Very simple. So let's write down an equation. Y equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5. So you differentiate it. Okay, you differentiate it, and we call this dy dx because this is y. So when you differentiate it, you get y equals 3x squared minus 4x. Right? The simple idea of differentiation, you can refer to any of your textbook. You have it. Y equals ax power n. So dy dx will be nax to the power of. Okay, right. I think I might go too fast, axn. So if you differentiate, very simple, differentiate a term, it becomes nax, the power will be reduced by 1. Okay, so go check out your textbook, but this is it. So 3x squared minus 4x. Okay, x means here is power 1. So therefore, at stationary points, remember, I just said it, dy dx is 0. Hence, 3x squared minus 4x is 0. And what do? I take out x as a common factor, leaving behind 3x minus 4. So x, open bracket, 3x minus 4 equals 0. This x is a common factor to both 3x squared and 4x, and then minus 4x. Hence, here it's like a times b equals 0. A is 0 or b is 0. Hence, x is 0. Or 3x minus 4 is 0, therefore x is 4 over 3. Now, let's go to the first answer. If x is 0, substitute x equals 0 into your y. You get 0, 0, it will be 5. So 1.05. The other one, substitute x equals 4 over 3 back into the curve, all right, into the original curve. So your y will be 4 over 3 cubed minus 2 bracket 4 over 3 squared plus 5. Use a calculator to guide you. You work it out. Okay, punch in your numbers and you work out that y is actually 3 and 22 over 27. Okay, so therefore, basically, the curves, right? There are two stationary points here. One is at 0, 5, okay, where the gradient is 0. The gradient is 0, and the other point, the other stationary point, where if you draw a tangent to it, gradient is also 0, and that point, the coordinate is 4 over 3, comma, and 322 over 27. Here in this case, I wrote it as a proper fraction, a mixed number, okay, not an improper. Okay, you can do that, and that's it. That's all. For that, they give you 5 marks. Okay, what did I do? Just write down the curve, do differentiation of first order dy dx, equate your dy dx to 0, and get out the two x coordinates. Take the first x coordinate with 0, substitute into the curve, and to get the y coordinate, and so you find that 1.05, and substitute x equals 4 over 3 into the curve, and you find the y coordinate is 322 over 27. Okay, my drawings are a bit sketchy and not to scale, so don't put a gun to my head to this, okay? So play this video again. This is very simple, but it's a very important area. Differentiation is really, really important. And I'm glad that in the recent exam papers, there seem to be more emphasis on differentiation, which I feel is very important as you go higher up in your university studies or when you go to college. Okay, so I'll see you guys next week. Next video, I'll think about what I'm going to do. I might be at maths, but I'll be looking a little bit more at this February paper. Okay, I'll see you guys. Meantime, be careful, be good, follow the SOPs, and be safe. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye bye.